Welcome back, guys, to this trading recap. This is how I made about $2,300 trading NQ this morning. I caught this sell across a couple accounts. So, what I was looking for going into today's session and today's New York Open was I pretty much identified on the hourly what I wanted to see. So, we'll actually go ahead and start this replay tool so we have a little more accurate picture of where we were. So this is pretty much where we were. There's 2 points of interest I had actually going into the open. We had this 1 hour order block, and then we had this other 1 hour order block right there, and it was also a 15-minute order block as well. So we're in the middle of this range here, and I'll drop down a smaller time frame so you can see. So right here, we're in this little range right there. So my thought process was like, okay, we're going to either sweep these lows to tap into this 15-minute OB, or we're going to sweep these highs and tap into this 1 hour order block to sell down to here. So, if this happened, then I was ready for the sells. If this happened, then I was ready for the buys. So let's go ahead and play this out. Right at the open, we go ahead and spike right into that H1 order block we had. So my limit got filled there with 2 accounts. And then this went straight to instant profits. I actually sold at this low for about like a 3.5 R. On one account I made 800, and my other one I made 1,500. So that was the trade for that I took on those 2 accounts. And then I had one more buy on a different account as well that I took off the 15-minute here. So if we drop down a smaller time frame, just get a little better picture right there. You can see we tapped into the 15-minute and we ran directly to 2R really quickly. So I wasn't going to hold this one just because I wasn't sure if this 5-minute order block was going to get respected or not. So I was just kind of a little concerned about that. I thought we were going to maybe retest this one more time and then go lower to tap into this 4-hour FEG we have right here. So I wasn't going to marry the buy setup yet. I thought maybe we'll go a little lower, tap into this, and then that's actually what we went ahead and did. So this first buy smacked the 2R fairly quickly, and then it literally tapped that 5-minute and started to dump again. And once we got that dump into that 4-hour, I was hopping in. I was just surfing through the time frames, and then I found this 2-minute IFEG. So then all I did was wait for that to get inverted, which we did right there. Enter those longs, and then I actually went ahead and took this for like a 2.5R on a different account. I think at these highs I was targeting first. So we went and we retested the FEG one more time, and then we ultimately blasted through the TP, and then this thing ran to London highs, and then this actually went ahead and ran for a little bit higher, I think going for like a 7R. We'll actually exit out of the replay tool right there. And this thing, ran for like 7R, but we TP'd at 2.5R at these highs right here. This sell TP'd at 3.5R and actually ended up running for about an 11R if you held that. And then this was just a quick little snack for like a 2R. So overall, 3 really solid trades with great exits. You could add a potential to hold a couple of these for more profit. But overall, really solid day. If you want to know more about our strategy and how you can actually tune into our live trading sessions every single morning, I actually call these trades live for my students, and they were able to also participate and catch these trades as well. If you want to have access to that, just hit me up on any of my social medias, and then we can connect there. Other than that, you guys have a great rest of your day, and crush the rest of this week. We have one more trading day left. Let's get it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.